Alright, next step. Need to remove the valve cores, get the air out of them. Alright, this is a valve core tool. Kind of looks like a screwdriver, but it's got a special notch in it. So, just going to move the center of the valve. Get all the air out of it. Hang on to the valve cores. We're going to reuse those. I'm at a little bit of disadvantage because of my fingers this time. Whoop. There it goes. Make sure it's all pushed down. Lift. Pulls it up. Next trick is trying to get it to release. Now, I'm not worried about these tires because they're junk. Normally I'd go all the way around, but the way I have this mounted, I'm unable. Alright, there's half of it. We got to get a hold of the bottom half. Get that tire over. Run your tool down in there. Lift it up. Go whichever way works. Sometimes it grabs better one way than the other. Voila. That'll free up 2 hands. There we go. That's what we want.